Hello, friends. Welcome to My Career Doctor, the only platform which talks about betterment of the youth. Today we have very special day because this is the first day for this boy named Manoj Kumar. He comes from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. That is about to 800 kilometers away from here. Yeah, almost 800 kilometers away from Noida. आज because this boy said to me कि सर एक दिन coaching is off as you know. दिस इज़ वाई वी कंडक्ट दिस क्लास इन द पार्क. कोचिंग क्लासेज जो है वो ऑफ है और मैं बता दूं कि अभी ये नहीं खुलेगा, दिसंबर के बाद ये खुलेगा. दिसंबर में मोस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ दिसंबर. वेरी नाइस. अच्छा, तो he said to me कि help me to remove my hesitation. This is why I'm gonna conduct this class and we will do some activities which you know that My Career Doctor is famous for that. I'm damn sure if you do that activity at your home, either you belong to a metropolitan city or a small village or a small, city, town and all. This is really gonna help you out. So I request you to please watch this video till end and copy all the activities क्योंकि ये सबसे बेहतरीन एक्टिविटी होता है आपके अंदर के डर या फिर हेजिटेशन को रिमूव करने के लिए. हालांकि मैं आपको बता दूं ये है मेरे साथ मुकीम. ही कम्स फ्रॉम इलाहाबाद बट यहीं रहकर माय करियर डॉक्टर के ओल्ड स्टूडेंट हैं. इन्होंने 2-3 महीने पहले क्लासेस ली हुई हैं. और ये आफ्ताब हैं, मुकीम के कज़न ब्रदर, वैसे ही आए हुए हैं देखने के लिए. ये है मेरे साथ दिलसाद सिद्दीकी. ये माय करियर डॉक्टर के ओल्ड स्टूडेंट है और यहाँ इस वीडियो में दिलसाद और मुकीम इस बच्चे को, नए स्टूडेंट को जो है वो मदद करेंगे. ऑलराइट, और आप इसे देखेंगे. आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आपको क्या लगता है, आपकी समस्याएं क्या है स्पोकन इंग्लिश को लेकर?
सर हेजिटेशंस थोड़ा है कि बोलने में मुझे फियर होता है कि सामने में बोलूँगा तो गलत बोलूँगा तो मतलब मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. और सर कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बोल पाऊँगा, कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बोल ही नहीं पाऊँगा.
ऐसा क्यों लगता है आपको? कैन यू गिव मी अ बुक?
एक्चुअली ऐसा इसलिए लगता है सर कि मैं जो पढ़ता हूँ जैसे उसे पढ़ने के बाद कुछ दिन बाद मैं भूल जाता हूँ. तो हाँ, तो सर मुझे लगता है जब मैं भूल जाऊँगा तो फिर याद करके बोलना और फिर फ्लुएंटली बोलना में अंतर है सर.
Please put the mask down. I check your reading skill.
Yes, sir.
And read this loudly.
Okay, sir.
Read it loudly. Anything.
In order to get the winning edge, we need to strive for excellence, not perfection. Striving for perfection is neurotics. Striving for excellence is progress because there is nothing that can't be done better or improved. All that we need in a little as the winning horse in the race may win with 5-1 or 10-1 odds. Do you think he is 5 or 10 times faster than the other horses? Of course not. He may only be faster by a fraction, by a nose, but the rewards.
Stop it. अच्छा गाइज, यू वुड हैव नोटिस्ड ऑल्सो कि रीडिंग में इनको जो है वो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. ही डजेंट फील कंफर्टेबल टू रीड दिस बुक एंड आई होप यू नो द रीज़न अबाउट इट. अच्छा, होता क्या है to get fluency, because speaking comes by speaking, that we know it very well, but directly how does it come? You must be good at reading. अगर आप रीडिंग में अच्छे होते हैं तो आपकी क्लैरिटी अच्छी होंगी, and if you have good clarity तो of course you could be a better speaker. So this time this boy named Manoj has issues with reading, and ये प्रॉब्लम कब दूर होंगी? जब आप शब्दों को सही सुनेंगे. इसके लिए सही चैनल्स आप देखेंगे और सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन के साथ एक एक छोटे इसको पढ़ेंगे. आई मीन एक सही गाइड होना चाहिए आपके पास. तो आपके आसपास जो भी अच्छे रीडिंग देते हो या जिन्हें इंग्लिश की नॉलेज हो, उनके सामने जाकर पर डे कम से कम 10 मिनट आप रीडिंग ज़रूर करें. अभी अगर मैं इनकी गलतियां निकालूंगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा निकल जाएंगी, ये मैं पर्सनली इनको बता दूंगा, बट दिस वुड बी माय सजेशन टू यू. ये ज़रूरी है रीडिंग. रीडिंग में लाइक आई हैव सजेस्टेड यू टू टेक यू नो द बिगनर बुक्स लाइक चंपक 1 से 5वीं क्लास तक सीबीएसई की एनसीईआरटी की बुक्स। अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो एडवांस लेवल के हैं तो इस तरीके की आप बुक ले सकते हैं। यू कैन विन यू नो रिच डैड पुअर डैड, अल्केमिस्ट और लाइक न्यूज़पेपर एंड ऑल, वो आपके लिए बहुत मददगार साबित होगा। बट ऐसे स्टूडेंट के लिए ऐसी बुक लाइक बिगनिंग बुक जो आती हैं बिगनर्स के लिए 1 से 5 तक की इंग्लिश और चंपक, ये ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगी। नाउ दूसरा है लिसनिंग। वाइल टॉकिंग वी लिसन, लाइक राइट नाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग सो यू गाइज आर लिसनिंग टू मी, दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू अ लॉट टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश। अच्छा, तीसरी चीज़ होती है राइटिंग और लिसनिंग। तो स्पीकिंग और लिसनिंग लाइक टुगेदर यू कैन डू इट यू नो विथ योर पार्टनर। So what I'm gonna do is I'll take this boy, make him stand up and help him to, you know, to remove his hesitation. The same thing, I want you to stand. Put the book there, put it there. Right, keep the mask inside the pocket. Very nice. Now, what you have to do is, you guys keep sitting, I'll ask you after some time to stand. Stand here. Alright. Look at the camera. Get it now. The same thing, the introduction which you gave here about you in English, now you will give that introduction in English by standing. Hold this mic.
The introduction.
Yeah. Look at the camera and speak with confidence.
Hello, hello friends. Myself Manoj Kumar.
Don't say myself. It's not a proper and formal English. Say my name is. My
Yeah.
name is or I am. Say my name is Manoj Kumar.
Yeah. Hello friends. My name is Manoj Kumar. My father's name Mr. Ramnandan. I belong to Lokari Pariyama, Kachgaon, Jaunpur. I have to completed my graduation. So galat hai.
No, go ahead. It's okay.
I have completed my graduation, post graduation, like MCom in this year. I have completed computer application, ADCA. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music and doing a new experiment job and
Okay, nice. Right. You can see that he doesn't have too much fear, but yes, he has fear. He is holding mic and trying to speak. और जो problems है वो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया, like he is not good at. और ये समस्या सिर्फ मनोज की नहीं है, 80% बच्चों की है। वो ढंग से रीडिंग भी नहीं दे पाते and they think कि कहीं से 45 घंटे की मैं कोर्स कर लूँगा तो मुझे आ जाएगा। याद रखिए, learning English it's an activity, so the more you do better you learn. तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देना होगा। I would like to take Dilshad here. Dilshad, I want you to please stand here and you have to help this guy, you know, in speaking and all. One boy stand here and second there. I'll give you mic and you have to help him to do activities and all.
Okay, sir.
I keep this mic.
Okay, sir.
All right. So Dilshad, okay. How would you help this boy to remove his hesitation?
So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to help him to remove his hesitation. So first of all, friends, you can tell me your name
Manoj Kumar.
and where are you from?
I'm from Jaunpur.
Jaunpur. Okay, it's a nice city, I think. So could you please tell me any specialty of your area, Jaunpur city? So if they have any temple, like they have any famous place and all things that makes him famous.
Actually, Jaunpur is a small city. Famous is fort.
Red Fort.
No, fort. Only fort.
Only Fort.
Yeah, and Atala Masjid. You know, actually, in this history.
In Indian history, I think it place has any Atala Masjid. And why is it famous for? Could you please explain it something? If you know, it doesn't matter. If you don't know, so it's okay. I will ask you some other questions to make you feel good in English. So apart from this, you can tell me the very first question. Like it's a common question, by the way. So why do you want to learn English? What is the purpose? What is the goal?
I want to improve myself and I want to do uh, everything.
Okay, you want to do everything. So I think in this era, if you want to do everything in any field, it doesn't matter. So English is necessary for all of us. So if you learn English, so it could be helpful for you and the person who learned it. So it will increase you. It will push you up in their any field. So it's okay. It's very good. And brother, apart from this, you can tell me what should I ask you that if you feel better, so you can tell me, you can tell us here your daily routine. And daily routine when you tell us, so it I think in my opinion we used present indefinite, sir. I think I'm right, sir. So you can tell me in the from morning till evening when you go to bed. So you can tell me the routine of your daily life.
Get up early morning and
Not yearly. A lot of students say this yearly. We say I get up early in the morning. Yeah, early.
early in the morning and got the fresh and walk the in garden and come to back garden and take the bath and take some breakfast and go to the market and come
After coming from market, what will you do? What will you do?
reading books and helping works learn and try to speak self English. Yeah.
And then for having lunch in the noon, so what would you take?
Guys, it seems to be this guy has idea how to speak. You might have noticed one thing, that when he asks questions, he replies. The problem which I found in the starting, that while reading, he makes mistakes a lot, and that is all about the problem, the pronunciation and accent. For that, like I have told you, मैंने जैसे कि इनको चेक किया, and I would suggest you guys also कि आप इन चीज़ों पे बहुत ईमानदारी से फोकस कीजिए पढ़ने पर. एक अच्छे जो इंग्लिश जिनकी है उनके गाइडेंस में ज़रूर 10 मिनट रीडिंग दे, एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट, बिकॉज दैट पर्सन विल करेक्ट. एंड आपके गांव में, कस्बे में, शहर में कोई ना कोई ज़रूर होंगे जिनकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होगी. इनिशिएटिव, यू विल हैव टू टेक दैट इनिशिएटिव कि सर भैया मुझे थोड़ी सी मदद कर दीजिए. दैट इज़ रीडिंग, एंड नाउ ही इज़ प्रैक्टिसिंग. Let's practice something else now, right? Help him to do handshake and all. How to do handshake?
Hello, my name is Dilshad. How do you do, sir?
My name Manoj.
No, it's not like how do you do. What happens जब आप पहली बार किसी से मिलते हैं, तो it's not compulsory. You can say how do you do. If he says how do you do, आप भी बोलेंगे how do you do. Get it ना? अगर ये पूछते हैं how are you, तब आप बोलेंगे I'm fine, thank you. What about you? How have you been doing? ये आप उससे पूछेंगे जिससे आप जानते हैं पहले से. लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी, हाउ हैव यू बीन, ये सब. बट एंड हे गाय व्हाट्सअप, हे डूड व्हाट्सअप, तो ये फॉर्मली नहीं चलेगा. आप या तो हाउ डू यू डू या फिर हाउ आर यू. हाउ डू यू डू का रिप्लाई आप क्या देंगे? हाउ डू यू डू ही देंगे. गेट इट ना? पहली बार जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं, स्ट्रेंजर्स, लाइक कॉपी मी, हाउ डू यू डू.
How do you do, sir?
Very nice. And if I say how do you do, my name is Prakash Singh Azad, then you will say how do you do, my name is Dilshad Siddiqui. Right? How do you do, my name is Prakash Singh Azad.
How do you do? My name is Dilshad Siddiqui.
Very nice. So it should be like hand. Get it na? I do it. How do you do?
How do you do?
Very nice. And if I say how do you do, my name is Prakash Singh Azad, तो आप भी क्या बोलेंगे? How do you do? पहली बार जब आप पहले तो confident होकर बिल्कुल हाथ आप दे, and eye contact must be there. I hope you're getting it na? Eye contact must be there. It's not like the eye handshake and hi, and you get it na? It should be like how do you do? My name is Prakash Singh Azad.
How do you? My name Manoj Kumar.
Thank you very much. So Manoj, you talked to Dilshad, right? Do you still feel fear? अभी भी आपको डर लग रहा है, और you feel now comfortable little?
Little bit.
आप जौनपुर से आए हैं, बहुत सारे आपके ख्वाहिशें होंगी. यू मस्ट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डिज़ायर्स दैट वाओ आई विल गो टू नोएडा, ज्वाइन माय करियर डॉक्टर, लर्न इंग्लिश. कोचिंग अभी ऑफ है, तो इसीलिए हम पार्क में आके ये चीज़ करवा रहे हैं. तो नाउ आफ्टर कमिंग और लाइक रीचिंग हियर टू नोएडा, डू यू थिंक सो यू वुड बी एबल टू लर्न इंग्लिश एंड गेट अ गुड जॉब, और यू डोंट थिंक सो?
I'm sorry, I'm can't.
After coming Noida, do you think so you would be able to learn English?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now move this side. What you have to do is to remove your fear. You have to sing a song. Do you sing songs? You don't sing songs.
No, sir.
All right. So okay. So now you keep standing here. You come here, Mukim. Mukim Pradhan, come fast.
रातें ढलती नहीं, दिन भी निकलता नहीं, उसके मर्जी बिना पत्ता हिलता नहीं। रब जो चाहे वही तो होना है, रब जो चाहे वही तो होना है। आदमी खिलौना है, आदमी खिलौना है। मेरा मुन्ना बड़ा ही शलौना है, मेरा सॉरी सर।
Now Mukim will help this boy to speak in English something different. Like Dilsad has tried his best. He talked to this guy. You please come here. Yeah. Now you have to try and help this boy. Teach him something different that can make him speak very, very well and fantastic. I mean, he's new to this city. It's your duty to make him understand, right? And after this video, like I told you in the starting, that you have to help this boy, right?
Hello sir,
Hello.
this activity so very good due to coronavirus. Okay, means in Hindi बुरा मत मानना.
ठीक है. He understands little. I also
Okay, sir.
understand little.
My name is Muhammad Mukim. My name is Muhammad Mukim. I am a student of my career doctor since 3-4 months ago. 3-4 months ago. Okay, sir. So, what's your name?
My name Manoj Kumar.
Do you want to speak really or not?
Really.
Really. So, you can do practice every day.
I can do practice every day.
Yes.
I will do practice every day.
Okay. As my sir has already suggest you follow LSRW. So it is very true. It is. I also means use. So I feel able to speak in English. Okay, sir. Yes. So first of all, then you get up early in the morning. So you need to read a book as a champak, and you can win. After that, you have mirror. Sisa.
Everybody has mirror.
Sisa. Okay. So you put on opposite and speak. You don't think I'm going to wrong side. Yes. You speak as a my point. Okay. Yes. So you have any question? So
Do you have any question you want to ask to him?
Yeah, I have a question. How to remember things?
okay. Oh,
How
bro,
to remember or how to learn what how to keep it learning or reminding or recalling for long time, whatever I have learned.
yes. You can remember means याद करना मीन्स यस आई नो. सो जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं पीछा पढ़ना. पीछा पढ़ना. अगर आपको याद नहीं हो रहा है, अगर आपको याद नहीं हो रहा है तो वो याद होगा, बट आपको बी कंटिन्यू. ओके.
Dilshad, what do you think? Do you think so this boy has, potential? Can he do something or can he learn or not? One last opinion, you please give.
Yes, definitely he can do. If he thinks that he want to do everything, anything in life, so he must do. He can do, and he has the strength to do anything that he wants to do. So I must say one thing that, bro. So please keep continue learning the things, and first of all, the as Mr. Prakash Azad sir told you that you have to follow the LSRW. So apart from this, you can read the books. It means reading habits. You must have these things. You can create at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes. You can have the habit of reading books in the louder voice, and then after you can practice in front of mirror also. So it will remove your hesitation slowly. So I suggest these things in the last, and if it is possible, so you can create your own video while speaking, so that can give you in selfie mode camera. So if we talk about the mirror, so when you practice in front of mirror, so the one thing that is there, the mirror can't give you the feedback, but when you practice in front of camera, so then after you can watch yourself that where did you mistake. So and then after you can create your own another video and just remove those mistakes, and the next time, so it will slowly I think it will be helpful for you.
Correct. And the last, I'll ask him to do one thing. Like as I have told you guys, कि problem सबके साथ है. We all have this common problem जो हम इनके साथ करवा रहे हैं. ये 80% बच्चों के साथ हमारे देश में, इस समाज में है. What is the solution? Solution, like I told you, you have to have patience, and like he asked कि कैसे चीज़ों को लंबे समय तक दिमाग में रखी जाए. How to keep things in mind for a long time. You have to love what you do. जो आप करते हैं उससे प्यार करना सीखिए. Like if you want to learn English, you have to love it. You have to get into it 100%. Be just dedicated or a devotee of it. You get it now?
Yeah, you must get engrossed in the books and the things that you love most.
And then follow active recall, which I have told you. Whatever you learn, आप उसको एक्टिंग कीजिए, एंकरिंग कीजिए, ऐसा फील कीजिए कि आप लाखों लोगों के बीच में बोल रहे हैं. इसीलिए ये चीज़ मैं अभी प्रैक्टिकली करवा रहा हूँ. आपको शायद ये नॉनसेंस लगे, बट दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू लॉट, एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू ग्रेट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. तो प्रैक्टिकली व्हेन यू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, प्रैक्टिकली व्हेन यू स्पीक इन पब्लिक, प्रैक्टिकली व्हेन यू address people, deliver a speech in front of people, or a lot of people, public and all folks, that time it helps you to remove hesitation. The best thing which we do here at My Career Doctor, I want you to stand here please, and I want you to speak loudly. Hello everybody, my name is Manoj Kumar. Loudly, I am the best I can do. This is the Maha Mantra of My Career Doctor, which will help you a lot. Hello everybody, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am the best I can do. Loudly.
Hello everybody, my name is Manoj Kumar. I can do. Sorry sir.
I am the best.
Once again.
I am the best I can do.
Like, hello everybody, my name is Prakash Singh Azad. I teach English how to speak because I'm the best I can do. Come on.
Hello everybody, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am best I can do.
I am the best I can do. Once again.
Hello everybody, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am the best I can do.
Yeah, come on. So these are called affirmations, like I'm the best I can do, I'm the best I can do, come on, I'm the best I can do. These things help you to, it doesn't help you directly to learn English, but indirectly it helps you to improve your overall personality. And this would really help you a lot. Do these activities in front of your friends in park. Like I'm here with this boy in the park, and this is the best place to remove hesitation. Are you now, do you feel comfortable and removing your hesitation, kind of? Would you be able to talk to anybody?
Yeah.
Right. Are you able to talk to anybody? Very nice.
Yeah.
Now, अभी हम इसका चेक कर लेते हैं, टेस्ट कर लेते हैं, right? और टेस्ट हम ऐसे करेंगे, आपको एक अजनबी से बात करना है. यू कम हियर टू नोएडा फर्स्ट टाइम, यू गेट इट ना. और आपको एक अजनबी से मुलाकात है, उनसे आप पूछेंगे नोएडा के बारे में और माई करियर डॉक्टर के बारे में, कोचिंग के बारे में पूछेंगे, फ़ी वगैरह के बारे में आप पूछेंगे, ठीक है ना. और फ़ी एग्जैक्टली बता मत देना कितना है कोचिंग के बारे में, ठीक है. तो दैट स्ट्रेंजर इज़ मुकीम, ठीक है. आप उधर से यहाँ आएंगे और मुकीम यहाँ रहेगा, ठीक है ना. गो देयर. इंग्लिश. और ये कैसे पूछेंगे? एक्सक्यूज मी, माई नेम इज़ मनोज कुमार, आई कम फ्रॉम जौनपुर, आई वुड लाइक टू गो टू माई करियर डॉक्टर, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी वेयर इज़ दैट. गेट इट ना. एक्सक्यूज मी, अटेंशन लेने के लिए. माई नेम इज़ मनोज कुमार, आई कम फ्रॉम जौनपुर, प्लीज हेल्प मी टू रीच to my career doctor, and then you will tell him. Get it na? Okay, come fast.
Excuse me, my name Manoj Kumar. Actually, I want to about my career doctor. Actually, I come to from Jaunpur for learn English. So I watch the video in YouTube on the YouTube. So I think learn English go there. So I am come here. So please tell me you if you know about my career doctor. So please tell me.
Okay, I understand. Means you want to join the MCD.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm also a MCD student.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes. May I help you? But, yes.
How may I help you?
How may I help you?
Please reach the MCD. My
Please take me to MCD. मुझे MCD ले चलिए. Please take me to MCD.
please take me to MCD. My career doctor.
Okay, good. Let's come
Ask
with
about
me.
the teachers.
Let's
Ask
come
about the
with me.
fee. Ask about the teachers and fee.
Ask about the teacher.
You ask me.
Yeah.
Ask ना teachers के बारे में पूछो.
Please tell me teachers about teachers.
Okay. MC my there I study. Sorry.
Abba jabba dabba. So guys, what exactly happens is that I just gave situation to this boy. अब slowly अभी इसने शुरू किया है और I'm damn sure कि he must learn. Not only he also and I also and Dilshad also. We must learn what we want to learn. Are you doing abba jabba dabba?
No, sir.
Anyways, so he must learn because he comes from Jaunpur to Noida, and I'm damn sure he must learn how to speak in English, right? Now, do you have confidence?
Yeah.
So, can we say loudly, Halla bol?
Halla bol. Halla bol. Halla bol.
Halla bol.
Halla bol.
Very nice. So, we are the best.
We are the best.
आप लोग बोलेंगे we can do. We are the best.
We can do.
Come on, we are the best.
We can do.
If we can do,
You can do.
if we can do,
You can do.
so come and join us.
Be the best.
Come and join us.
Be the best.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस एंड आई होप आपको कई सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिला होगा. कमेंट में ज़रूर करके बताइएगा और स्टे हैप्पी एंड बी द बेस्ट लाइक ऑलवेज. वंस अगेन इन द लास्ट, जय हिंद, जय भारत.